men must have your help. They need more tanks, more planes, more guns, more shells. Never was the need more urgent. Invest in war-saving certificates today.
Oh, me?
Yes, you. What would you be worth if the United Nations lost this war? Nothing. We must win. Enlist in our army of regular war savers today.
Great stuff! I'm gonna do it. Tomorrow. Yeah! Tomorrow.
Not tomorrow, Donald. Today.
Do it! I'm tired.
Donald! Donald? Your bank. Come along, Donald.
Wait a minute. Don't let that sap tell you how to spend your money. Be smart. Spend it on yourself.
Okay, I will.
Wait! In times like these, everyone must do his share.
That's right.
Don't listen to him. Go ahead, spend it. Have a good time.
First, you must defend the country that makes a good time possible.
Curses, he's too smart. I'll have to blitz him. Hey, look! Your petticoat's showing.
That's the last straw. You first, Donald.